transport solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Although, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll give you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We're gonna go before the change his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. What too much of that?
We already went.
Mommy, I don't think you can. No, you can't be an engineer.
Press on those flashing lights on the side to shoot, okay? Engineer in the back, you'll be in charge of fixing this entire hunter jump. Anything they break, you will fix. Press on those flashing lights on the side to fix the ship, okay? Wait right there, up and down.
It's hunter jump. Right, hunter jump, right?
We done. Good to go.
To you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
And supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
You're gonna put your bag by your feet?
Very now, time is money.
All right, friends, press your flashing buttons.
Flight engineer, repair that. Lift your flashing button. Only one engineer. Well, I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. Hey, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. That car goes pretty. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the whole thing. Oh, damn. Things are getting we've got to get out of here. Oops. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left fire. Hit the boosters. Boost. Let's get out of here! Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.